Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As today we are going to start a new chapter, that is adverbs. Okay, from your new grammar tree book. So, in your childhood or in your previous class, you have seen what is adverb, right? What you can recall the definition of adverb. What is adverb? Can anyone please tell me? If you know the answer, what is adverb, please write the answer in the comment section. Okay. So, after recalling the definition of this adverb, you can even identify or underline the adverb in the sentences given below, right? After recalling that, what is adverb or what you have the memory, what you can memorize with that कि आप लोगों ने क्या स्टडी किया था in your previous classes. After that, you can underline this adverb, or after completing this chapter you can underline the adverbs, right? And you can do the rest of the exercise. So what is adverb? So adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb और an entire clause. मतलब एक पूरे सेंटेंस को भी वो क्या कर सकता है, मॉडिफाइज कर सकता है. मीन्स टेल समथिंग मोर अबाउट द वर्ब, टेल समथिंग मोर अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव विच क्वालिफाइज द नाउन. वो कोई भी एडजेक्टिव को भी क्वालिफाई कर सकता है जो ऑलरेडी एक नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है. और एन अनदर एडवर्ब, अगेन किसी भी एडवर्ब को भी कर सकता है. जैसे वो एडजेक्टिव को करेगा ना, तो आप देखे हो कि नंबर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव रहता है, एक नाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है. जस्ट लाइक दैट दिस एडवर्ब विल ऑल्सो मॉडिफाइज अनदर एडवर्ब. मतलब सेंटेंस में अगर दो एडवर्ब है तो एक एक दूसरे मतलब एक पहले वाले को या फॉलोइंग एडवर्ब को वो मॉडिफाइज करेगा. एन एंटायर क्लाउज मीन्स होल सेंटेंस को वो मॉडिफाई करेगा, क्वालिफाई करेगा. ओके, टेल समथिंग मोर अबाउट दैट सेंटेंस. So adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverb. Okay. Examples are given here. With the help of this example, you'll be able to solve the exercises what is given a verb. Examples are like the nightingale sang melodiously. Melodiously modifies what? It modifies the verb. Yes, it modifies the verb. What is verb? Please, if you know what is verb, please write your answer in the comment section. What is verb? Verb is an action word which tells the action, which tells more about the action, what we are doing, what the subject is doing. Now, that is said to be the verb. Okay, the action, right? So, melodiously, it modifies the verb what? Sang. How nightingale sing? Though it sings melodiously. Okay. Nightingale has a very melodious voice. Now, this nightingale has a very melodious voice. How? नाइटिंगेल का वॉइस कैसा है? तो बहुत ज़्यादा मेलेडियस है. तो इट मॉडिफाइज द एडजेक्टिव, है ना. मेलेडियस वॉइस में वॉइस आपका नाउन हो गया और मेलेडियस क्या हो गया, एडजेक्टिव. एंड एज यू नो इट क्वालिफाइज एडजेक्टिव ऑल्सो, तो वेरी यहाँ पे एडवर्ब हो गया, राइट. सी द नाइटिंगेल सिंग्स क्वाइट मेलेडियसली, है ना. तो इट मीन्स व्हाट, इट क्वालिफाइज हेयर, इट क्वालिफाइज व्हाट, एक एडवर्ब को खुद ये क्या कर रहा है, मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. जैसे आपका मेलेडियसली, जैसे नाइटिंगेल सिंग्स हाउ मेलेडियसली, और कैसे, तो क्वाइट मेलेडियसली, राइट. दो एडवर्ब है जिसमें क्वाइट मॉडिफाई कर रहा है किसको, मेलेडियसली, दूसरे एडवर्ब को, अनदर एडवर्ब को वो मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, राइट. Surprisingly, that day the nightingale refused to sing. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप लोग, इंटायर क्लाउज, इंटायर सेंटेंस को वो क्या कर रहा है, मॉडिफाइज कर रहा है ना. सरप्राइजिंगली, लाइक अननोइंगली. उस दिन क्या हुआ, नाइटिंगेल रेफ्यूज टू सिंग, राइट. तो ये पूरा सेंटेंस ही आपके लिए सरप्राइज है. That's why it says that how adverb qualifies entire clause. So here you can understand an adverb modifies a verb, it also modifies adjective, it also modifies another adverb, and it also modifies entire clause, right? Or what is clause? Do you know what is clause? Clause is a sentence which has a subject and a verb, mandatory. अगर subject और verb नहीं है साथ में, it can't be a clause. Okay, so a clause means it is mandatory, it is the necessary thing that a clause should have a subject and a verb. Okay. When an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, it is placed just before the adjective or the adverb it modifies, as in sentence B or C. Yes, आप एक चीज़ याद रखना, अगर एडजेक्टिव आप फाइंड आउट कर लेते हो तो उसके पहले वाला जो भी वर्ड होगा, है ना, तो अगर एडवर्ब है तो वो पहले एडजेक्टिव के पहले प्लेस होगा, और इट इज़ प्लेस जस्ट बिफोर द another adverb, right? So remember this is the point which is like which supposed to be note down, right? So note it down, and you also write it down any problem you have or doubt. So here you have to means identify the adverb in the sentence, and you have to modify कि ये किसको modify कर रहा है, okay? Also the parts of speech of the modified words as example is provided, okay? यहाँ पर दिया हुआ एक example कैसे आपको करना है, like he often leaves, तो ऑफन किसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, राइट? अगर वहाँ स्लाइटली भी है तो किसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है? इट कैन मीन्स वहाँ पे दो एडवर्ब अलग अलग जगह भी हो सकते हैं, और अगर साथ में तो इट मॉडिफाइज द अनदर एडवर्ब हो जाएगा वहाँ पे, ठीक है? Okay, hope you will complete this, and where you will find the problem you just ask me. Now we'll see the kinds of adverb. What we will see? We'll see kinds of adverb here. So adverbs answer 5 basic questions. Okay, adverb क्वेश्चन मीन्स आंसर करता है बेसिक 5 क्वेश्चंस होता है उसका, ठीक है? वो क्या है? एड्रेस टू द वर्ड दैट हेल्प अस क्लासीफाई देम इनटू 5 basic types and read this table. Yes, it is very easy to identify adverb in a sentence because it asks the question to the verb. वो verb से question करेगा. जैसे for example it is given what, when it shows the time, है ना? when means कब, कब किया तुमने ये, है ना? तो it shows the time, adverb of time. where place है वो, तो adverb of place हो जाएगा. जगह बता रहा है वो. how means कैसे, how you did that, how you done that, तो उसके लिए manner हो गया, किस तरह से you are doing something. how often, है ना, कितनी बार, ठीक है? हाउ ऑफन मीन्स कितनी बार, एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गया, और हाउ मच हो गया आपका क्या, हाउ मच में हो गया कितना, वो कितनी बार है और ये कितना, एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री हो गया, ठीक है? वी फाउंड हिज सिंगिंग क्वाइट अमेजिंग, कितना अमेजिंग, क्वाइट अमेजिंग. एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी में क्या है, वी आर फ्रेंड्स बट वी सेल्डम मीट, कितनी बार, तो सेल्डम, ठीक है? And when, where, and how, it is very easy to identify. When you woke up early in the morning, when you woke up to early today, or like where, please where you means please don't bring the muddy shoes inside, where कहाँ नहीं लाना है, तो inside. Or how electricity supply has been badly hit, how hit, तो badly hit. तो you can see also, you can also modify here कि जो जितने भी वर्ब है इटैलिक में दिए हुए एडवर्ब, वो किसको मॉडिफाई करे, यू कैन ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई देम, है ना? और ऑल्सो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई द एडवर्ब बाय आस्किंग दिस 5 basic questions टू अ सेंटेंस. इफ यू गेट द आंसर it is very good. If you don't, try for the another one, right? Okay, now here also it is written that you have to identify the underline adverb, what they are, है ना? वो कौन सा kinds of adverb में use किया हुआ है, extremely है, away है, outside है, hardly है. It is very easy to identify, है ना? कि अगर किस तरह से है तो manner है, time बता रहा है तो adverb of time है, जगह बता रहा है तो adverb of place है, how often, कितनी बार, तो it is adverb frequency. और adverb degree में कितना, right? तो how much, then you can easily identify which जो underline किया हुआ है वो कौन सा kind of adverb है, right? Now see other kinds of adverb. Now what we can see other kinds of adverb. So let's see and we'll find out what does this mean. Adverb of duration. What does duration mean? Okay, how long है ये? How long? These are related to the time and answer the question how long. Yes, as I said कि ये ड्यूरेशन मतलब हाउ लॉन्ग बताता है कितने टाइम तक वो चला या कितने टाइम तक वो इम्पॉर्टेंट था या समथिंग. माई सिस्टर हैज़ बिन टेम्परली अपॉइंटेड एज द क्लास मॉनिटर. मतलब कुछ टाइम के लिए, है ना. हाउ लॉन्ग, तो टेम्परली. फिर द पेशेंट हैड ब्रीफली रिगेन्ड कॉन्शियस बट कुड नॉट स्पीक मच, है ना. तो वहाँ पर ब्रीफली मीन्स क्या हो गया, कुछ समय. ओके, कुछ समय पहले ही regained but he could not speak much. Now adverbs of stance. What this mean? They are used to express the speaker's opinion or attitude to something. मतलब ये speaker का opinion बताता है या उसका attitude, उसका behavior कैसा है उसके regarding. Like I will surely let you know if there is a message from home. ये opinion है या इसका attitude we can say. Second one, we can obviously not play outside if it rains today, right? It also says about the opinion of the person, right? Adverb of connection. What does this mean? This help to join one sentence to another paragraph and create a coherent text. Okay, means simple or we can say sensible sentence. Like complex है तो उसको simple sentence में उसको convert कर देगा. Adverb of connection. Okay, we have already made train reservation and hotel booking. Moreover, we have made a list of all the places we would like to see. It makes a simple one or we can say the sensible one. Okay, so here we have finished the other kinds of adverbs. Now we'll see the position of the adverb, right? The position of an adverb in a sentence can affect the meaning expressed by the sentence. Yes, if you will place any adverb at some other place which is not supposed to be placed, okay, then it just like properly or we can say sometimes it becomes a blunder in the sentence. So it changes the meaning of that particular sentence completely whenever we are placing an adverb at a wrong place. For example, it is written, they immediately gave up the plan to go on strike. They gave up the plan to immediately go on strike. है कि नहीं. अगर एडवर्ब को हम ज़रा सा प्लेस किए अलग अलग तो उसका तुरंत मीनिंग बदल गया, है ना. वो तुरंत गेव अप कर दिए स्ट्राइक पे जाने के लिए. और दे गेव अप द प्लान, वो प्लान को ही छोड़ दिए कि तुरंत वो जा सके स्ट्राइक पे. बोथ हैव अनदर मीनिंग. In the sentence, say the plan to go on the strike was finalized and the strike was about to begin, right? However, something happened because of which at once a decision was taken that there will be no strike. Like immediately कुछ ऐसा decide हुआ कि वहाँ पे strike नहीं हो रहा. But similarly in the sentence B, the plan was that the strike would begin at once without any delay. However, something happened because of which it was decided that strike should be postponed. Not cancelled, but it will be postponed soon and not begin immediately. The plan to go on strike still stands, but strike will happen later. As I told you that थोड़े देर के लिए टला है, but it not so long, right? पहले वाले में they gave up, वो plan बना ली कि अब नहीं करना है strike. But the second वाले में they postponed it and they will do it later. It means what? Whenever we are placing the adverb at the like different place, it completely changes its meaning. Adverb occur in three position. Okay, initial, middle and final. Initial means सबसे आगे, middle means at the middle of the sentence, or it is also placed after the means completing with the ending of the sentence, final one. So it has three place. We'll see what are the place further of placing a adverb, the position of the adverb. Here some rules are given. If the main verb in the sentence is be, like is, are, am, was, were, the adverb is put after the verb. Whenever you have to put the verb, like when you're using the verb be, is, are, am, was, were, then you have to put the adverb after that. Okay, first rule is that. Second, to give force to one statement, the adverb can be placed before the verb be also. राइट अगर किसी किसी के स्टेटमेंट को फोर्स करना है, किसी के बोले हुए चीज़ को फोर्स करना है, ज़्यादा उस पर प्रेशर देना है, स्ट्रेस देना है, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग एडवर्ब बिफोर दैट बी वर्ब ऑल्सो. लाइक ही समटाइम्स इज रूड, लाइक वी आर सेइंग वो कभी कभी रूड हो जाता है. और वी कैन ऑल्सो से ही इज़ समटाइम रूड, वो कभी रूड होता है. लाइक तो दोनों का एडवर्ब अगर ज़रा सा हम लोग चेंज कर देते हैं प्लेस, इट completely change its meaning. The sentence change its meaning. When an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, it is usually put before the adjective or the adverb. It is like you have seen earlier also. Like कुछ देर पहले you have seen this कि adverb कहाँ पे place होता है, adjective के just पहले और another adverb के just पहले place होता है. If the verb has an object, the adverb is usually placed after the object also. Yes, at the last we can say. In such case, the stress is one on the adverb. However, the adverb can also be placed in the initial position also. But in such case, the stress is on the verb. सबसे last में अगर है तो उसका stress कहाँ जाता है? तो it goes on the verb. Like he signed the document yesterday. Yesterday, what he did? He signed, right? When did he sign the document, right? Yesterday he signed the document. What did he do? He do means yesterday he signed the documents. Whenever we are using initial or the final place pe, then what we can say, its stress should be on the what? On the verb. Okay, here some of the verb adverb is given. Okay, you have to put them at the correct position. But before this, I'll discuss this. Okay, this table is really important for you to understand where you have to put the adverb. Okay, so adverb of manner, right? They end with ly. ठीक है, उसके end में ly होता है. Sometime it is placed middle of the sentence. Okay, sometimes it is placed middle of the sentence, or it is also placed after the at the final, like at the last of the sentence. Like question means example a and b, you can see it is placed in the between of the sentences, not the middle of the sentences, or it can also placed in final of the sentence. Adverb of place, where it is placed after the verb or the object. इसका कहाँ जगह होता है? एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस का, लाइक अवे, हेयर, देयर, नो वेयर, समवेयर. तो इसका कहाँ प्लेस होगा? तो आफ्टर द वर्ब ऑल्सो एंड ऑल्सो आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, after completing this table, you will be able to place the adverb in the sentences by your own. कि अगर वो टाइम वाला है तो उसको कहाँ जाना है, प्लेस वाला है तो उसको कहाँ प्लेस करना है, मैनर है तो उसको कहाँ प्लेस करना है. ओके, अभी टाइम है, आफ्टरवर्ड, सून, रिसेंटली, टुडे, लेटली, इवेंचुअली. तो इसको कहाँ प्लेस करते हैं? तो इनिशियल और एंड में. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, रिसेंटली, इवेंचुअली, या तो सबसे आगे या तो सबसे लास्ट. सून, I met him again. And one more, middle after the first auxiliary when used with the multi-words verb. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, अगर auxiliary verb वहाँ पे यूज़ किया था, will be, will have, I am going, है ना? तो I'm soon going to eat this, I'm soon going to do that. तो अगर ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ब वहाँ पर यूज़ किए हुए हैं तो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के जस्ट बाद में विल प्लेस दैट व्हाट? एडवर्ब. ठीक है, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम को प्लेस करेंगे, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. नाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. So how, where you have to put this, you have to put this middle of the sentence में आपको put करना है, ठीक है? Always, never, rarely, so on. My parents are always encouraging, my parents are rarely encouraging me, right? So this adverb frequency is placed at the middle of the sentences. Okay, now sentence adverb it is given. So sentence adverb is always used beginning of the sentence, beginning of the clause or the sentence when modifying it. मतलब जैसे आप लोग देखे थे कि सबसे आगे में भी यूज़ किया जाता है and it modifies the whole sentence or we can say whole clause, right? तो अगर sentence adverb है it is placed at the initial of the sentence only, the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so here after completing this table you will able to place the adverb which is given in the box to the sentences, right? So it will help you a lot to place the adverb in the sentences. Okay, now sequence of adverb also it is given. If there are two or more adverb after the verb अगर है तो adverb of manner comes first followed by the adverb of place and time. ठीक है, अगर बहुत सारा adverb दिया हुआ है तो आप उसको place कैसे करोगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू एनालाइज कि ये कौन सा है, ये कौन सा, ये कौन सा, मतलब कौन सा मैनर है, कौन सा प्लेस है, कौन सा टाइम है, ठीक है? अब उसको प्लेस कैसे करना है? तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सी द वर्ब, वर्ब के जस्ट बाद में यू हैव टू पुट एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, देन यू हैव टू पुट एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस एंड एट लास्ट यू हैव टू पुट द एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. गॉट इट? तो आप देख सकते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ गिवन हेयर, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट हाउ you have to manage. Okay, now one more thing is there. Now you have to rearrange and you have to make a meaningful sentence by placing the adverb in the correct order according to the sequence of adverb. Okay, now moving on to the next one is that adverb with the subject verb inversion. Now what you have to do, subject को verb की जगह पे लाना है और verb को subject की जगह पे लाना है, and you have to put the what adverb at the initial, at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, for example it is given like I have never seen, अगर ऐसे दिया हुआ तो how you will change that, it is incorrect. How you will change that? What you have to do, you have to bring the adverb at the beginning of the sentence. Now you have to inverse the position of the subject and the verb. तो I को you have to put at the place of verb and have को you have to place the place that on the place of I, right? So according to this, the question number B is also written. We can allow the situation to deteriorate under any circumstances. Now what we will do, under any circumstances cannot. Okay, can means already no is used there, not is used, any की जगह पे no आ जाएगा, and from there you can make the sentence like you have to put this verb at the beginning and जैसे आप लोग question बनाते हो ना, just like that you have to do. Okay, you can't move, cannot allow, है ना? तो you have to just put can and after that v and then start with the main verb. Okay, so this is all about adverb of position of adverbs. Go through the exercises, okay, which will help you to do things which will make things clear for you also, right? And wherever you will feel the problem while solving these exercises, just ask me, discuss this in the class. Okay, so this is all about the position of the adverb. This table is really important for you. This table is really important. Please go through this table and find out and solve this all the things, and remember the rules also and the meaning also. Okay, so this is all about today, and have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.